Guys, today we're going to be talking about natural disasters such as tornadoes and a volcanic eruption. We're going to be forming these tornadoes in these bottles like this with water. So what a tornado is, it's like a spinning thunderstorm where hot air and cold air mix together. And here's what a tornado looks like in real life. So what we are going to do is just fill one of these bottles with water. It can be warm or cold, it doesn't matter. Alright, I think that's how. No, not quite. So there has to be enough, there can't be too much water so the air can chase it around. So now we just put this on. Like that's food coloring, I forgot. There it is. You could take, I don't know how many I dropped. Oh. Maybe just one is enough. Right now you can get maybe a knife because that'll fit. So guys, I actually learned that you don't need a knife. You can just spin it around like this and mix all the food coloring in. I think that's it. So now, I hope I don't spoil this putting the water onto it. Especially not on my tablet. So now we got this one on top. I think I can just stir it on like this really tight. That should be tight enough. And now if we flip this over, we can just spin this around like this in a circular motion like that. And it makes a water tornado. Isn't that cool? And it spins down into this bottle, and you can just keep doing it infinitely. Alright, so now we're going to do it again, and I'm going to tell you how. So, the tornado, the air is going from this bottle into this bottle as the water is going down here. So, yeah, that's how the tornado forms because there's a little hole here. And water can also spin in circles, and go down there. So yeah. And this is how a tornado is able to pick things up off the ground. I would show you with a Lego minifigure, but we don't have one. So now moving on to the volcano. We're going to need baking soda and vinegar. So this is a volcano. So there's this liquid called magma under the ground, and it can go to the nearest volcano. And there are cracks in the mantle that shoots the magma up, and when the pressure builds too much, the volcano just explodes. And that's how volcanoes like Pompeii and stuff like that happen. So we're going to be doing this in real life. You're going to need some baking soda and vinegar. So let's pour all the baking soda in here. Just like that, and now add the vinegar. You need, any food coloring of your choice, but I'm using red because it looks like lava. You need red food coloring because to me it just looks like lava. Hey, this is more pink, that's not red. So now we pour all the vinegar in here, and the fun part happens. The volcano erupts. Isn't that cool? We're going to do it again, But this time we're going to put there's still stuff in there. We're going to put the stuff in here and do it again and see how it flows out. Now before we put it in, we're going to add the food coloring. Perfect. Now stir it around. Just like that. Now we can add this baking soda in here. And then the fun part once again. Normally the things would flood out. Alright, one more time. I should have put the thing on top of the baking soda. So now, so I don't forget, let's put the things on top. And add the food coloring. Now, for real. Look, see how much force the volcano has to push this stuff out? Except the egg. But it had enough force to put this two stuff out. I don't think we added enough vinegar. So, before I go, I want to say we're really close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you please subscribe, that'd be great. Bye, guys.